Okay, so I'm going to show you how I do my snap plackets. This is the Halsey Leo. I took the leg bands and I folded them wrong sides together and put the band right sides with the Leo and attached it with my serger. Do not close up the crotch. So basically just sew the band to each side like I'm showing you. Next, I just cut 2 rectangles, I guess about 3 inches by, I don't know, 4 inches. It's okay if it's wider than the crotch because you're going to be trimming that off. So you're going to want to line up the crotch in the center with the right sides together and pin it. And then you're going to go ahead and serge the little rectangle to the right side of the crotch. Now that I've done that, I'm going to basically fold it in like a accordion fashion. So lay it down. I'm gonna lay it down and you're gonna fold over one and then back and then over again. So basically try to make the folds the same width as each other, and you'll end up with 2 folds plus the fold on your serged end. So you can kind of see there's 1, 2, 3 folds. Then you're going to go ahead and do a little straight stitch after you've pinned it, of course. Straight stitch on each side through all 3 layers. Once you've done that, see how I've got the straight stitch on each side. I did not sew the actual leg bands, just the placket. You're going to go ahead and just trim it up to your line. Be careful not to cut your stitching. So just trim it. You could probably have also serged this. I just find that going through these layers, it's a little more controlled if I use my regular sewing machine and do a straight stitch. Now that you have it trimmed, you can actually open the folds and you're going to just go ahead and fold it over the top of the crotch seam so it will enclose your raw edges. So I'm going to take it, open it up, and just fold it over, and everything will be nicely enclosed. And then you're going to want to, of course, top stitch that so that it is secured down. So I basically do that with my regular sewing machine as well. I just do a straight stitch across, and then you have a super nice little snap placket. I do that on both crotch seams, and then you can go ahead and add your snaps like you normally would. That is the finished product. I just added 2 snaps because this is a 0 to 3 month, so it was a little narrow, but it worked out really well.